Good afternoon, everyone. Chris Brecher here with TradingNest.tv. Just a quick learning video for you. I'm building stock scans for free. Just so you know, it drives me nuts paying for indicators or scans when all of this you can reverse engineer with AI, or it's just built into Thinkorswim or TradingView for free. I've been doing this a long time, over 4 decades. The fund managers and traders I know, they build algorithms that are extremely simplistic. So I just want to show you a simplistic stock scan. I'm happy to share it, and I want to show you how I did it. So all I did in here was this, is I reversed engineered something that looked good. So let's take Lamb Research, for instance, and then try to reverse engineer it. So all I'm using in here, not using a 9, not using a 20, not using anything like that, but you can. And I'll show you where it does come in handy. But the first thing I want to do is take out the 50 moving average. Got to take that out, and I'll show you why in a second. Second thing, all I'm using is a 310-16 MACD, and I'm using a ATR trailing stop and a 9 moving average. So just go into studies. You'll see MACD, ATR trailing stop, moving average exponential. That's it. Now you might say, why do you have the moving average exponential? Well, I'll show you. Because a lot of times when a stock breaks up, it gets too far from the 9 moving average, which also corresponds with the MACD getting too overbought. You need to see it hover and catch up with the 9. A lot of times it's on a daily and a 4-hour, but the 4-hour has been working. So what are you noticing in Lamb Research? You're noticing this, and now I can take off the 9, or you could leave it in. Over the ATR trailing stop was your trigger that the trend was changing. You can see it with the trend line, but it got you in before the trend line. Right there got you in. So then you might be like, well, how do you scan for that? Well, trend line fitters work awful. So I'm going on the ATR trailing stop that it broke above the ATR trailing stop on a 4-hour chart. That's it. That's it. Over it. And I'm telling you, a lot of the stocks today have worked great. Worked great with this kind of thing. Remember, gold did it. Newmont did it. GLD did it. Yep, all of them with that ATR trailing stop. Wheat and precious metals, you know I liked it at 108. There you go. Look at that. It got over it. So how do you build it? Well, I'll show you. All I did was I went into AI. All you do is AI. I mean, for free. You just go into it, and I'll show you what we're talking about. All I did was I went in and asked, I wanted a scan for my active stocks, and I wanted it where it got over the ATR trailing stop, but not the day it crossed it. I want within 3 periods. So all I did was this. I went in a scan. I took active stocks over 50. All stocks, all optionable, over 50. Open interest, at least 2,000. I like to trade options. Then I took this. All I did in here was this. Now, that's a bearish one. Hey, I look at both sides of the coin. So we'll go into here. We're going to take over 1 to 3 bars. I took stocks over 10. The one that's over 50 is the bearish ones. I don't want to play $10 bearish ones. The bullish ones, over 10, open interest over 2,000. Look back. All I did was this. All I did was this really simple, simplistic scan. All you do is you can even pause it, the video, and copy and paste that. But all I did was go into ChatGPT and ask for this. I wanted something that the ATR trailing stop, it crossed above it in the last 3. See, think back. And then I took stocks with average volume of 300,000. That's it. Then you do the scan. It's about, well, you'll see it. It's going to be a lot of stocks as it started to turn. So there you go. Once you save that scan, it becomes a watch list. That's all. It becomes a watch list. And you're going to see that over here, I have a lot of scans. All I do is I go to back to this, go to 4-hour, crosses over it 1 to 3 bars. That's it. All of these down here are going to show up here because it becomes a watch list. Now, there's a lot of bandwidth I'm using when I'm doing a video during the day, but there you go. They showed up. Now go and look what happens. Is LNG in here? Sure. Now, I'm also combining a chart reading. So right here was a lot better break up because it broke a lot of prior tops and had a nice trend line. So you also have to do a holistic approach, but I'll show you some that worked. KLAC worked. Lam Research worked. Microchipped worked. Guess what? We were leaning long Lam Research. A lot of these stocks had that chart. You see the trend line. So all I did was build a scan. I reversed engineered, and then I took that. So that's all I did in here. Extremely simplistic scan. Now you might say, well, how about a bearish one? Well, right now the market looks like a bull flag, but sure. And all I did in here was a scan the opposite way, except I took more expensive stocks and more active. When I'm looking to short things, I want more active so I can have tight stops on stock. So all I did was this. I went to the 4-hour, crosses under it, 1 to 3 bars. 50, 2,000 open interest, look back 3, moving average of the volume on a daily 700,000. That's it. So that's how I did the scans. Hope you find this helpful. Take care.